These are distribution lines from the tank to the houses. Water line. To receive water from this open roof. Here, there is an open roof. So this is the stormwater line. This is the forward trap. This is a provision for washing basin. Here there is a walkway. So this floor trap is going to receive water from this walkway. There's a rhino here. This one 2-inch. There's a waste outlet for the rhino. There's 3 rhinos here. Rhino boils. So there is a shower somewhere here, so that floor trap is going to receive water for the shower, and there will be a toilet in this bathroom. So the same for this bathroom. This floor trap is to receive water for shower. There's a shower. This one receive water from the above. From above, the same. Here there is a separation wall. Separation wall here between these 2 floor traps. This one and this one is a separation wall here. This is another washroom. This one to receive water. This one provision for the washing machine. On this balcony there will be a washing machine outside there. Now the same applies here. Comes here. This is provision for washing machine to be on the balcony. That floor trap is on the balcony to receive water from the balcony. That little water on the balcony. Now this one, this 2-inch PVC 2-inch pipe is to receive water from above. Now this is a floor trap. This is a washroom. Now there is 2 floor traps. This is a 4-way and 1-way. Now toilet will be here. Toilet will be here. Then shower, and this one pipe for provision for washing basin. The same applies. This is a common bathroom. This is a common bathroom. Now this is a master bedroom, master bathroom. This one, the master bathroom. Now this is a provision for washing basin. There's a separation wall between these 2 floor traps. This one receive water for the shower. Now this one receive water for the entire room. This one will receive water from above. It will be prolonged when they are built walls. Now this one The floor trap for the balcony. The same applies to the other one. There's a kitchen sink here. This one to receive water from above for the kitchen sink. This one to receive water from above. That one floor trap for the balcony. And the same, even there, it is a floor trap for the balcony. Yes, even the other one is a floor trap. The balcony. And this one is a floor trap for the balcony. Now, here we shall put a pipe, 6-inch pipe to receive this storm water here. Now here, after casting, we are going to put gratings on these pipes to receive this surface water, because as I've said here, there is an open roof, it is an open slab, terrace, why I call it a terrace. Yes, the terrace here. So here, these are raising mains. We are passing through the duct. We are going to build here a duct. On them. Those are raising main. So they are going to receive water from the main up to the tank. The tanks will be there, and the staircase, even here, up there, they are going to be a tank base. Even that staircase up above it, it is going to be a staircase. Yes, those ones are public washrooms, toilets. Those two. Now here, it is an open space.